can't sleep because I got a bunch of ideas in my mind for drawings that I want to work on. This always comes to me when I'm trying to go to sleep, and I wish this happened during the day when I had more energy, but right now I'm just cooking myself some pork, or like pork center cut. I had eggs earlier, and I just made them about an hour ago. So I brushed my teeth, and then I laid there for 2 hours, and I was like, I need to do something, I need to get up. And so I just got up and I started making myself some eggs, and then 30 minutes later I was hungry again, and so I'm just making some of these. So yeah, pretty hungry. But yeah, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do because I have to be at work at 9 a.m. It's 3 a.m. right now, so I've got plenty of time before I have to get up. But I think I'll be pretty tired because I have a bunch of drawing tomorrow I want to work on. And I did get my new banner done for my channel, and that is up now. You can see it on my channel. But yeah, just making some food and trying to figure out ways to fall asleep. But I just have a bunch of ideas on my mind and don't really know what to do other than just eat and hang out, I guess. Not really anything else that I can do this early in the morning because I don't really have a whole lot of time to really work on anything. So yeah, maybe I'll do a drawing. No, it's too early for that because I know if I start a drawing I'll be working on it for a couple hours, and then I can worry about the recording and everything. So I think what I'll do is I'll eat my pork chops, or center cut pork loin, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to eat that, and then I think I'm just going to lay in bed and probably just think of more drawing stuff until I fall asleep, and that'll be my night. So hope you all have a good night and hope you get some sleep. See you later.